Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little special video, I guess. We want to welcome a new friend to the channel. It's Fab Heavy Parts. They've been following the channel for a while, they said, and they want to help out with some tools. So we went through the catalog and picked out something, and they shipped it to us. So let's get over here and I'll show you what they sponsored or sent us. So all right, let's get this opened up. Alright y'all, there's the box they sent us. I don't know if you guys can read it, but it's a high axle welding cylinder cart. SKU number on it is a 14003144-B-19. This is for the oxyacetylene set. It's the big wheel style, so let's get this thing cut open and get her out of this box. Like I said, this come from Fab Heavy Parts. They got lots of tools. They got lots of parts for diesel motors. They're getting into some lawn and garden stuff. So, it's, alright. Well, that looks like the handle. Some assembly required. Oh, that's strapped in there, so let's this might be a two-person job getting it out of the box. I'm struggling, y'all. There we go. Package really nice. There's the instruction book for it. So should be straightforward. So let's see what they all got here. We got a part here. Don't know what. Oh, that must be probably the axle. Got the strap for the cylinders. It's holding the wheels in. That's cool. There are some nice big wheels. And they're air wheels. They got valve stems on them. So, all right. That. Oh, I got another tray here. Some little parts on it. Some hardware. This must be your accessory tray. So, all right. Let me look over the instructions, and we'll get this thing put together. All right, y'all. That took a little bit to get that all unpacked. I think it was packed like awesome. So, alright, let's see if we can get this thing put together here. I'm going to start by putting the axle on it. So, pretty simple. Little U-bolt here. Drop it on. Got a flat washer and a nice nylon lock nut. I don't know if I told you or not, but this axle feels really heavy duty. There's that side on. Grab the other one. Get this one put on. Alright, I'm gonna go grab an impact because I just grabbed a wrench, but I'm gonna grab an impact. We're gonna tighten these things down, so y'all hang out and be right back. Alright, y'all, we got the impact. We're going to town. I'm going to back that off just a hair. And I'm going to find my tape measure. And we're going to square that thing up so the axle sits in there nice and square. Looks like about 3/4 of an inch on each side. So, all right, now we can give it a little beaner jackson. Without getting my impact stuck in there. Alright, that's good and tight. So there's the axle one. Let's move up here to the handle and the tray holder. So this is going to be a trick doing it by myself, but we'll get her done. We'll get her done. Okay, I'm just double checking if the instructions were right, which they are. That would be that side. That would be this side. That piece goes on there. This piece goes through here. Bolt goes through there. So that goes on there. Most definitely be easier with 2 people, y'all. We're gonna move that up to that hole. All right, there's one end. All right, now it'll hold itself. And you guys, you can see what I'm doing? Oh yeah, you can see what I'm doing. All right, let's give this a little snug, and we can move to the other side. Okay. So, all right. Get this thing turned a little bit here, because we got to put the old tray in here. I'm gonna get a bolt ready. Got this piece here. There's that. Bring this up where it needs to be. Stay there. Don't sit and listen. Not one bit. There we go. All right, there. Down here. You guys, yeah, you can still see what I'm doing here. Okay, let's get this tray back up here. that over for it sits like that. And that'll hold that. Go in there. Alright. We're cooking with gas now, y'all. One last bolt. That little washer in there. Get our nylock on there. Got a wrench, our impact. We're gonna go back around the other side. Give that a good snug. Alright. There we go, y'all. That's nice. I like the way that tray swings, so when you lean your cart back, you don't dump all your stuff out of that. So, all right. Last thing to do, I'll put the washers on, put the wheels on. Put that on. Got a nice big washer, and we got a hole here. Let's get the other one, get it slid on. Washer on there. Get our bolt, or get our pin through the hole. Get her bent over. All right. Spinny, spinny. Spinny, spinny. All right. Let me get this thing down off this table, and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all. Got it all together. Got it down on the ground. Go ahead and throw the strap around it. Now, I can't get to my oxyacetylene torches right now. They're on the other side of the drop wall. But as soon as I can get to them, we will definitely load this thing up. But yeah, I went ahead and put air in the tires. This thing's going to be nice. I mean, that rolls effortlessly, and the nice thing about it is the tanks are going to hold it forward, you know, and it's going to sit right down on that metal frame, and then wherever we need to go, we're going to be able to, it's a nice height, you know, and that you can see that tray is, you know, rocking back and forth, but that's going to be nice because when you lean it back, stuff's not going to roll out of it. So, all right, I like it. I like it a lot. Feels real heavy made too, so I like it. All right, y'all, there you go. Go there on the web, check out Fab Heavy Parts. Great company so far. So what I can gather, it took me, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour to scroll through the catalog of just the tools, the shop tools and stuff. I didn't even go through all the engine parts that they got. Their lawn and garden, home and garden section. I didn't even go through any of all that stuff, but they got tons and tons of stuff on there, real reasonable prices and everything. So yeah, go over and check them out. Hopefully they're going to be a long friend of the channel. So appreciate y'all. Go over and check them out, and so yeah, that's what I got. So anyways, check them out. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you all on the next one.